Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix "This app is not available in your country" problem on Android. This issue usually happens because of regional restrictions in the Google Play Store. But don't worry, I'll show you a few simple methods you can try to fix it. Let's get started. Step 1. Clear Play Store cache. First, open the settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. Now find and select Google Play Store. Tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache. After that, reopen the Play Store and check if the app is now available. Step 2. Change your Play Store country. If the problem still exists, you can try changing your Play Store country. Open the Google Play Store. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Next, go to Settings, then tap General, and open Account and Device Preferences. Scroll down and look for Country and Profiles. If another country option is available, select it and follow the instructions to update your Play Store region. Step 3. Use a different Google account. Sometimes the restriction is linked to your current Google account. You can try adding another Google account to your phone. Open Settings, go to Accounts, and add a new Google account. Then open the Play Store again and switch to the new account to check if the app becomes available. Step 4. Download the app from the official website. If the app still doesn't appear in the Play Store, you can check the official website of the app developer. Many developers provide a direct download option from their website. Just make sure you download apps only from trusted and official sources. Ending. So that's how you can fix the app not available in your country problem on the Google Play Store using these simple methods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.